Hey guys, we're gonna work on taking this thing apart. Let me move this out of the way. One package is here. That's the Walmart package. Which is the package I used my saved up credits for to buy some of my Christmas presents. So I'll show you that. But I have other packages coming that aren't here yet today. That are coming today. Both say out for delivery, so I'm very excited. And my big Timo package is coming Friday. So I want to wait until the 2 Amazon packages come in later today to show you everything all at once. So I'm going to go grab my tools. And we're going to start disassembling this puppy. And if you don't know why, I'll tell you. Remember, I only have one good arm, so I have to give each one separately. It's getting there. It's still not ready to lift anything heavy, so alright. Get all the cords out of the way. First thing I'm going to do is take out these 8 Phillips head screws. Now, I did the daily journal last night. I told you all about the reason for this. That is because I'm getting a better system. Hello. Okay, now you can see me doing this. From a friend. I need a flat head, no, Phillips head, sorry. Phillips head screwdriver, like that. Because I'm going to take apart as much of this as I can to be able to get rid of it. I also am going to need an Allen wrench. You know what, I'm going to put one of those hoarded boxes out to good use. Because it's a place to store all the screws. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'll get one of those hoarded boxes that I hoarded for a reason. These are for wrapping Christmas presents, in actuality. But I can use them for these screws so I don't step on any screws. like using my right hand, but I will do it. Given how loose these screws are, I'm betting somebody had to assemble this. It's one piece, guys. Let's put this over there. Okay. No. Okay, the belt. Alright, I'll figure that out. Oh, there's another screw. Okay. Time for me to crawl across the belt. Oh, and do the other side. This is unplugged. There is no power going to it. Ow. Anyway, I'm getting an elliptical. A Tony Little Gazelle, as a matter of fact, which I'm very excited about. I told you about that in the daily journal I couldn't wait to make. Ah, ow, 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 ow. Alright, time to use this hand. I've taken a lot of things apart. I disassembled an adding machine. My cousin and I disassembled an old typewriter. And it was great fun. Great fun. So I actually enjoy taking things apart. I just don't want to be stepping on the screws. Excellent. Okay, there is a screw here. If only I had an electric screwdriver, which I do need to buy myself an electric screwdriver, big time. Ah! Oh my god. Let's see if I can get this one out. Now it needs to be a bigger screwdriver. Oh, a bigger screwdriver. Okay. Here we go. I think I do it. Ah! Lucy, which way am I going? Oh god. Okay. I'm going to work on some of the Allen screws now. I have just about every Allen wrench size imaginable, thanks to the fact that I was smart enough to keep them from every stinking project. I would like to hope that the one that I have, where is it? I have one with a nice big handle on the top. That's an average Allen wrench. This one. I hope that this one fits. Oh boy. Just a little too big. Too bad too, because this is a perfect Allen wrench. That's okay. Alright. So I need one that's just a little bit smaller than that one. Yeah, I don't know anybody that could have invented a better Allen wrench than that. Honestly. Okay, this one is about one smaller, maybe. It would be nice if I knew the size of that other Allen wrench. Okay, that's just slightly too big. I mean, too small. So the one I was looking at in the first place should be the right one. This one. Or maybe not. That could be somewhere in between. Yeah, I got 1,000 of these wrenches. I'm gonna use that thing from there. Which is this, I believe? Yes, no. It's a weird size. No. It is a weird size. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if I can get this. I'm gonna put it in this side. There we go. Come on, pull it. I think that I will try to. It started turning my head. Come on. If only I had this little thing called leverage. There we go. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm guessing this is going to take out the arm when I get these out. That's some serious Allen wrenchedness. Oh my God, it hurts. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Now I can use my right hand. Yep, that's what it's doing. Hold on to that handle so you don't get whacked in the head. One handle off. Oops. Let me turn this. Okay. Okay. It's not coming off. I'll set it that. Alright, next. The other arm. Okay. I think what I'm going to do with the belt is just cut it. Okay. Righty tighty. Lefty. Oops. Lefty. Loosey. Okay. Gotta grab my screwbreaker, otherwise known as a screwdriver. These aren't Allen screws, baby. These are Allen bolts. Look at the size of them. Push down. There we go. Yeah, that one doesn't. I'll just hold that with my bad arm because it doesn't weigh anything. have witnessed me remove. Now, what is down here? Okay, those are also Allen screws. Alright. Can I remove? Yes, I can. Right in there. And one side in the hole. Stay in the hole. Thank you. There we go. Alright, I'm going to do it this way, which is fine. How big is this? How big is this thing? Oh, this one's just fat. Okay, good. Now let's do this side. Let's get it loose. And we'll never take apart anything electronic without unplugging it. Don't just try to unplug it. Alright, I feel like there's something else attaching it. What is attaching it? I think there's something up above. Okay guys, time to stand up. Okay, and throw my much needed Allen wrench way over here. Okay. Stand up part do. Alright. Now let's see where the other screws are. Okay, where's the other screw? Alright. Let me walk around, see if I can find where else it's attached. Right here. I don't think so. I think I did just find it underneath. I think this is the one that's attaching that. I'm not really going to worry about it. Okay. Now. Yep. That's what's holding it. Okay. So I have to get to the one on this side. This is not easy to do way back here. I want you to know. In the hole. Thank you. Oh, that side is the cord. Okay. That's fine. Because you know what? It has a separation right there. Come on. This will separate from the cord. Another reason that you need to make sure. Okay. Let me go the other way here. Alright. There you go. Wait a minute, guys. This can't be thrown away any other way, so that has to be done that way. We'll pull the cord through at the end. Actually, I'll just drop it through, and then it'll come out at the end. Okay. I need to move my tools. I'm going to move you guys. Tip this after I get this leg off. That's the next step. Okay. Okay, that one's bigger. Yeah, I think that's yeah, just a little bit. Wasn't as far off as I thought it would be. Anyway, nope. Darn. House open. Try this one. Got it. Whoops. Oh my god. Ow. Okay. This is gonna have to be tipped somehow. I can't tip it. Okay. Let me see if I can loosen this. Oh god. We'll have to go this way. Hold on. Oh, lefty, loosen. Lefty. Oh. That one's pretty tight. Gonna need the aid of something to bang it. So, where's my banger? Oops. I don't have enough strength in my right hand. Oh my god. Where's my hammer? Something just occurred to me. Oh god, I think this one's glued. Anyway, got one right here I can work on. Okay, put it in this side. Okay. Oh god. That would be nice. You know what I'm gonna do for my next step? To cut this. I think that's gonna be my next step, guys. I don't want to bore you too long with this. Okay. grab my craft scissors. Now we're going to cut the belt. Another reason to unplug. It should come off the out. Which, by the way, you can replace this if you want to. Ouch. Now, that would be the slickest surface ever to walk on. Can you imagine? It's a skating rink up here. Okay. I'm going to need a little more help. And that's okay. This stuff here can go out. That stuff there can go out. So, the next thing that we're going to do is unboxing. But I do kind of want to wait until the other boxes actually get here. Which they're out for delivery, so the UPS that could be any. I used the Walmart box, which is Christmas presents. But again, I got on my rewards, so that's kind of cool. I might have better luck with that once I'm able to tip it on its side, but right now I can't. So I'm going to get a drink and take my pills. Juice. Grab a juice from over here. I need to put some ice in the juice. So yeah, it's 30 minutes into this video, and I think we've taken apart about as much as we can right now. Yeah, that mat is sharp, believe it or not. I am going to take as much of that out as I can. I'm absolutely shocked that the Walmart order came to the right door. He usually goes to upstairs across the driveway. Or to A. So anyway, guys, we're gonna wait for our last video. It is too. So it should be here anytime. And then we'll be able to do that. In the meantime, I'm going to try to take some of this stuff out because it's not heavy. So that's my goal. I will see you in a little bit. God bless you. Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers by Christmas. I know I say it every time, but it's a goal that I really want to achieve. And I can with your help. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome to Punky's World. We're finally doing the unboxing. Okay. I did open this because I wanted to see if all the gifts were in here. They're not. Eric's gift. Don't know if you can read that or not. I'm going to move that to this box. It's smaller. So that's going to go in that box. Okay. Next up, this is my light. And we'll try the light tomorrow because it's good grief, 510. So I need to make a video tomorrow. Okay. Here's the light. We'll take it out of the box in a minute. Stuff that in there. This box weighs 9 tons. Because it's got batteries in it. Which is why it had to be delivered to the house. Oh wow, I didn't realize how big this was. We'll look at that in a minute. Okay. Batteries and glue sticks. Batteries. We all know a double A battery. Triple A? No, I ordered double A, but that's alright. These things happen. I ordered double A and got triple A. But triple A are useful also, so. Alright, let's. I didn't even need that. Okay, let's check out this one. It's a little different than the one that I have. I'm explaining how to put it together, which I know how to do. Where is the rest? Here. Okay. There's more. Alright, so this is all the parts of it. We'll put it together tomorrow. But this is what it looks like. And up here, it has a slide on. So I can slide a microphone or something onto that if I want to. Make the mic closer to me. I like that idea. This is the tripod. It's small, but that's okay. You just screw this onto the bottom here. And this is the adjuster for the tripod. I think. Shoot, you know what? I did that. I need to take the tripod out. That goes in before the tripod. Because that is an adjuster for everything. There we go. The tripod goes in there. There we go. There it is. Let's plug it in and see how bright it is. Hopefully it's got more lumens than the one that I have. Let's just see how bright this thing is. My nose is running like crazy. It's like I start to get over my cold, it gets worse. Then I start to get over it, and it gets worse. Okay, I need a block. Oh, excuse me. will be nice, actually, for the countertop when I'm cooking. I'm doing cooking videos. Let's see here. Okay. Now let me press the button. Woo! That's pretty bright. Now I hit plus on this. Okay, that's as bright as it gets. Good. Okay. As I untangle this thing, come on. Good. This is actually nice, even though it feels chintzy. Got a nice tripod too. You put it with the other one. It's shorter, but that's fine because it's more for a desktop. Okay. Now that's strange because I ordered double batteries, but that's okay. Let's put these with the I got a good deal on 100 glue sticks. Put these with my I'm going to take some of these, actually, I can't now because they came in as AAA, they need double. So, double AAA are still useful. And actually, there's a little contraption that you can turn AAAs into AA's. Here they are. Boing! They look exactly like they did in the ad. So, except we got the wrong size. Okay. Okay. That's that. And let's cut the tape on this. Unless there isn't any. Oh yeah, there's some tape on this. Oh. Okay. Now, let's pull, whoops. Pull these tabs up. Okay, there's one. There's two. And then there's okay, you can put it on the side. This box is pretty. Okay. Wow. Oof. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't need the outside piece. This is a 192 piece art kit. Great projects with this. Let me move it here if I can get you back in my trash. Yes, I know it's somewhere. Oh no. Okay, it's right here. This is actually a really nice canvas, a really nice palette, a sponge. This is notebook. Let me take the plastic off these. There we go. Oh, and there's plastic around the box too. Anyway. Okay, there's a watercolor pad. Oh my gosh, this is like canvases. There's a sketchbook. And there's an acrylic pad. Also like canvases. Look at these. These 3 pads alone are money. Okay. tell I'm excited. I'm actually shaking. I'm so excited about this. Today I ordered. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Oh, looks even better in person, guys. Okay, let's open this up. First of all, we have thank you for purchasing. Family operated small business. Any order related issues, send us a message. Okay, that's an erase. Look at these colored pencils. Oh my gosh. These are regular pencils. This is a dual eraser, which is solid metal. But a couple of brushes. I have more brushes coming. Nice size oil pastels. Look at the size of these oil pastels. These are big. Like I said, 2 brushes, which are nice brushes. They're actually wood brushes. These are nice brushes. Oh, don't bend it. And there we go. Now, in the first part, the drawer open. There we go. Uh-oh. I'm dropping everything here. This is the colors. This is a sharpener of some sort. Oh, this goes up here. Okay. This is paint. Oh my goodness. What is going on here? The 2 drawers are caught on each other. Why are they caught on each other? Oh no. Let's try to get back in. Let me open the bottom and find out what's going on. Oh, it rattled. And it got stuck. Oh no. Ah. Oh my god. The bottom drawer got stuck. Let me seal this part so that I can rattle this bottom drawer a little bit. What is going on here? Okay, can I get this out? If I can get this one out, I can fix that. Yeah. Oh. Crayons everywhere. That's what happened. Okay. These are regular crayons. No biggie crayons. Just regular crayons. Nice colors though. A blue crayon. Okay. These aren't going to be in the artist order, but you know, because they have specific orders by color. But I'm just trying to get them back in here so that the drawer will go back in properly and come out properly. So. Yeah, there's some in there. I'll show you what's in it in a minute. I'm just trying to put these back where they go. And don't shake it out too much because all the crayons will fall out. Yep, I got $10 off the retail price of this. Oops. And the rings broke. That's okay. Goodness gracious. Like I said, I got $10 off. That's okay. There we go. This is the bottom drawer. Okay. So this goes in. This. Perfect. I'm going to slide right out. This is our acrylics with several brushes. I did not realize how many brushes are on these paints. That's a lot. Because it didn't really count everything. So, alright, this should come right out. Yep. And this should come right out. Yes. Okay. That comes right out now. That's just crayons. We've got some crayons. This is acrylics. I'm not going to have a bunch of these. Actually, I think I'm going to head over. And up here, we have Euro pastels, which I love. Watercolors. Eraser, colored pencils, regular pencils, sharpeners, things like that. And we have the books. And we have the palette, which I really liked, by the way, and a sponge. And so I'm going to take these carefully